In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on Windows Security or Microsoft Defender's real-time protection on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in security. Best result, you're going back to Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select the hamburger icon at the top left, and then select Virus and Threat Protection. Scrolling down where it says Virus and Threat Protection Settings, go ahead and select the Turn On option, and then select Yes, and then it should be enabled. And if you select Manage Settings, you can make sure real-time protection is turned on as well, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.